Yeah, so let me up the music and let's continue. All right. So like I'm saying, so yeah, so this is the market. This is the market. This is the market. And so we are expecting gold to have more further downwards. When you check the previous my previous video, my YouTube video. So when you check, you see that I was talking about what market dropping or gold will be dropping. Gold is on sell trend. Okay. I spoke about gold dropping other stuff. And you can see it very clear. Gold is still dropping. It's still on a downward trend, right? The market is moving from point to point, point to point. And so right now the market is heading all the way down again. So we are expecting more decline, more bearish moves coming on gold. So I'm targeting 8,000 pips, 8,000 pips to the downward direction. And you have to have a lot of confidence and a lot of psychology, a lot of mind to be able to hold a trade all this while, because holding trade is a lot of problem. It's a problem to traders. Traders cannot hold trade for a longer time. You understand? They can't hold trade for a longer time. They are always scared that the market can reverse on them. Yes, it's true. The market can do that to you. You will see money. You will see money. You see money. You see money, and the money will be running, and then it will go back to loss. And you can, that's where your heart to destroy anyhow. Your heart to just start bleeding, because you have seen money and you have refused to take the money. The South African man will say money, let's make some money. So then if you have refused to take the money and the money reverses back, trust me, when you come back to see that you are in so much profit and now it's reversed back, trust me, you are going to be crazy. You go crazy. Like, you are going to go crazy. You'll be like, what the fuck was happening? You get me? Yeah. So don't be scared. If you know where the direction is heading to, you shouldn't be scared. You should be very, very what? Solid, grounded, because you know where you are going to. When you know where you are going to, your documents are all right. You are having that confidence, and you don't fear even police or soldier man. You don't fear anyone on the road, right? You don't fear. You are only afraid of accident. You understand? And anything can happen. But then when you know where you are heading to, you are very confident. And so we know where we are heading to. We are heading to the bearish, we are heading to the downward direction on gold. So far, I spoke this, and people have made profit on this. People have made a lot of money on this. And people have messaged me and they are telling me that, yo, this is really working. And it's working. It's not anything. We don't complicate here. We don't complicate it. We don't use anything. We don't use any indicator to come and complicate anything. We just trade very freely and we move like that. So if I'm going to scalp, I know that today I should be scalping the market. I scalp. If I'm holding it for a swing trade, yes, I can hold it again. You understand? It's that simple. It's that simple. So let's go to DXY and analyze DXY and see what's happening on DXY. Now, DXY, as I said, DXY was somewhere here way back, and I was predicting where DXY. DXY stands for dollar index. Okay, so I said once dollar I've been able to cross this my high tension zone. I call it a high tension zone, right? Once it crosses it, we are moving all the way to the next zone here, to the top here, right? And what happened? The market moved from this point here to the next point, and this is amazing. Now we are heading to where we are expecting all this high tension to be cleared out, which hopefully 90% or 80% is almost cleared out. And then the next zone we are targeting is what? We are targeting the next zone to the top here, right? And so if we clear this top here, where are we heading to? We are heading to what? The next zone again. Simple as that. Simple as ABC. We are heading to the next zone. Once this zone is cleared, we are heading to the next zone again, which is going to be here. You get me? Yeah. So if you are trading this way, you know where you are heading to. You are heading to the what? You are heading to Europe. So you know that you are going to Europe. Your documents are right. You are having that confidence. You are not afraid of anything. You get me? You are not afraid of nothing. No one can scare you. No one can get you scared. You get me? So, and then you trade with peace of mind. You not let all these noise makers to distract your trading, because you know that I'm moving to this direction. I'm moving from here to here. And so once you see all these people that trade 1 minute time frame, They are telling you that this is going to sell. You see, these are the things that confuse traders a lot, because they hear too many things that which are they are the children. The children make noise. You know, children, they make noise a lot. Just observe. You put a observe when you go to a school where you see the nursery and other stuff. You see the children are always crying. They are making noise. You understand? But the matured ones are always quiet. They are those with the what? The head. They are those with the right information. Their mind is working all right. But the children, they make noise. And the children that in this market are the lower time frame. This 1 minute time frame and other stuff. They make too much noise. They and they will confuse you. Trust me, what you are having in your mind, what you are thinking, you forget about it and go and be thinking about a different thing. They are all distractions. You get me? So don't let the children to be confusing you in the market. Always what? Believe in what you are doing. Believe in where you are going to. Don't let anyone distract you. Even if you are wrong, you know it's wrong. Still believe in what you are doing. Okay. Yeah. And that's how you can become that's a millionaire in no time. You get me? That's how you can become a millionaire in no time, because you know what you are doing, and no one can what confuse you to do a different thing else. You get me? So that is how I approach the market. I don't listen to anyone. When I do my analysis, if it is going my way, and 90% of the time it's going to move to my direction. You get me? If it is going a different way, I know it's an accident. I just go out. You get me? And that is how you trade. You don't stress yourself. You trade with a lot of what maturity. You get me? And you are not distracted. So now you can be trading. You are here, TikTok. Someone is posting. You are on a sell. Someone will come and post. Let's buy this. Let's buy this. Meanwhile, at that point, you two are also in a trade, right? You are also in a trade, and you are on a sell. And the person is saying buy, buy, buy. You don't have to let that confuse you. These people are you take just assume them as children. There's those crutch, because they are noise makers. They look at 1 minute time frame, they come and confuse you. But you are looking at the general direction of the market, where the market is heading to. That is what you are focused on. You get me? Yeah. So if you are watching on Point FX, we are gonna have if you're in Accra, we're gonna have a mega forex training in Accra, and it's going to cover currencies, crypto, gold, synthetic indices, and many more. You understand? And it's going to be held in Accra around East Legon. We have a nice conference whereby we'll meet. So just register, get your tickets, It's limited space. Once the space is full up, that's it. We are done. And so far, a lot of people are registering for it, because we give out value, we give out real information, right? So once you come there, trust me, you can't leave there without becoming a very confident trader. That's what I want to say. A very confident trader. So if you are watching, you can pick the numbers, just contact WhatsApp or call, and you have the information details for the program, right? So I want to see anyone who is in Accra and you are here. Make sure you come for the program. Make sure you WhatsApp or call to register. Very, very important. Okay. Yeah. So like I'm saying, let's continue this. Right. So next week, I'm still anticipating for dollar to continue on a bullish trend. Dollar to continue on a bullish trend. So when dollar is on a stronger since from next week, that means we should expect more drops on USD. USD is going to be strong. That's just what it means. USD is going to be stronger. Okay. So that is how we are going to trade the market. And then let's move to GPY basket. GPY basket. This is a basket that contains all the Japanese yen pairs. The Japanese yen pairs. And the dollar DXY contain what? The dollar pairs. The dollar pairs. Okay. So if DXY is weak, that means dollar is weak. If Japanese JPY basket is weak, that means Japanese yen is going to also be weak. It's going to be weak, right? So far right now, as we can see the charts, I used to cry from this zone that market is dropping all the way to the next what high tension. I call this stuff high tension, because they are very, very what, yeah, when it happens, it happens. When it happens massively. You get me? So I call them the high tensions. These are the high tension. Move from this zone to the next zone. And that's what we are going to see on gold in some few days to come. In some few days to come, we are going to see this happening on gold. Yeah. So currently, you can see how the market is respecting my high tension. My high tension is not a joke. The market is respecting the high tension zones, whereby once it touches it strike down, touch it strike down, touch it strike down. You get me? So far, you can see what's happening today. We had a touch on this here, right here. We had a touch, a high tension touch, and what happened? The market is trying to decline again. So let's see what's going to happen from next week, whereby if we get the market moving above this high tension, yeah, if we get it moving above this high tension, we should expect the market to what have a touch again, then we can buy. That means if this market does what I'm saying, that means from next week we should expect JPY basket to be strong. It should be stronger again, right? It should be strong, and we are heading toward the next high tension, my next high tension, right? So we'll be heading towards the next high tension if that's happened. But if that does not happen, what are we going to see? We are going to see the market doing what? Declining again all the way to the downward direction, maybe somewhere to the what? Half of the Gini, and decision will be taken before we'll see whether the market will keep declining all the way to the further downwards, or is going to hold from the 50% of the Gini to retrace back to get momentum to break out the what? To break out our high tension I'm looking at currently, right? So let's see how the market plays out. Like I said, the market is not for anyone further. So you have to treat it like what? A stranger. Don't believe it too much. Just do what it tells you. What you see is what you trade, right? Please like, double tap on your screen and give me some likes, motivate me. Let me do more. I have a lot of secrets in this market, and I'll share it, right? I'll share it with you guys so that you make money anywhere you are, even in your village. If you are in your village self, you can make money. Just get internet connection and what's it, your device, and that's it. You can be in anywhere, and you spend any country's currency, depending on the broker you are using, right? If you need a broker to that's also give a funded account to traders, just message me. I'll give you a broker that you can be able to what? Get funded with a lot of money and no evaluation passing stage. When you fund your money, you make profit, you make withdrawal, and you are good to go. You understand? We want the life to be easy for everyone, right? So like I was saying, let's continue this analysis. So if we see the market holding from this area here, 50% of the Gini, if in case a decline comes back, that means the market will come here and hold. If it doesn't hold, it will continue going down to the next high tension zone, which is this one, right? So let's see how it plays out. We can't tell until the market does what it wants to do before we know what is happening. You get me? Yeah. So let's see how it opens. If it does what I'm looking at, we'll get the market breaking this zone. The market always want to take momentum to break major zones. You understand? So when it's able to break the major zone, just expect it to go above here, and we see a retest, then we can continue to the next miracle zone, which is the high tension. And that's how simple we are going to trade the market. Very, very simple. We won't let anyone to confuse us anyhow. You get me? And we'll approach it very simple. So now, if Japanese yen basket is going to be bullish from next week, that means all Japanese yen, the yen is going to be strong in the market. The yen is going to be strong in the market. So the yen is strong. We just have to go against. You just have to go against. Just pick a pair, maybe NZD, USD. Then you sell the Japanese yen, because Japanese yen is strong. You just sell. That's it, and you are good. You understand? Yeah. So let's look at odd USD. Odd USD has been doing magic. Odd USD has been doing magic. Please comment where you're watching me from, which country are you watching me from. Let me know if you're watching me from Ghana, from Accra, from anywhere. Let me know. Comment under. Let me know which country you're watching me from, and then let's see how we do this. Trading is very simple. You just have to be very, very patient and learn the right way. Don't never stop learning. Keep learning, because the more you learn, the more you get more perfect. And I use a strategy. I came up with my strategy, which is called the JPD strategy, which is called the Jack Point Directional Strategy. Jack Point Directional Strategy. That's the strategy I use. It helps me in the entry, helps me to know where the market is heading, to the direction of the market. That's how the strategy helped me to trade the market. Very simple and easy. I can enter. Today I was selling gold. I was selling gold. And trust me, gold is in profit. And I'm still holding it till next week. I'll hold even if it doesn't move, because I'm on a swing. Some of the accounts I do scalp, right? I do scalp, and some I hold it. It's a swing trade. I hold it for like 1 week, 2 weeks. You understand? I hold it 1 week, 2 weeks, and because I know where the market is going to. So because of that confidence, I can hold a trade for that while. You get me? I can hold a trade for that long. And that is what every trader have to do. You just have to be very confident, learn it. So that's why it's good to learn and get to know it massive, like very well, so that you are trading with confidence. You know what you are doing. You understand? That is very, very important. So like I was saying, if you watch my YouTube video, please check on my bio. If check on my bio and join the Telegram channel. My informations are full inside the Telegram channel. So if you are watching on the YouTube, just check under description and join. And if you are on TikTok, just check on my bio and you can be able to join the Telegram channel. Please do that. If you are struggling, if you're a beginner, intermediate, even if you're a professional and you want to learn this strategy, the Jack Point Directional Strategy, JPD strategy, just message me. If you're on TikTok here, message me, or just take my details and get in touch with me. And trust me, you have a solid knowledge on the market for the rest of your life. You will not even be interested in anyone trying to make you confused in the trading industry, right? So like I was saying, if you watch my YouTube video around this area here, I was crying to people that, look, this market has touched my high tension. And what am I expecting? I'm expecting, okay, so this pair is odd USD, odd USD. Yeah, LD is odd USD, okay? Yeah. So I'm expecting the market, I was expecting the market to go to fall because the market went below my high tension and came back for a retest there. And what happened? Australian dollar and the United States dollar. This is, let me show it to you. You see it's odd USD. This one, odd USD. You see it? Yeah, odd USD. That's it. Yeah, odd USD. So at this area here, I was crying that this market is dropping. So I even said it in the YouTube channel that I posted it. So if you do, you can go through and check it, the reference. I said USD is going to be weak. Odd USD is going to sell, and the sell is massive. So at this area, it started selling, and we took the sales, held it to this area here. Then we took some profits. Market break, it broke this level here. We still sold it all the way down again, and then the market still broke another high tension, which is here again. These blue zones are my high tension zones, right? So when the market went below it, I continued on this sell again all the way here. It was just violating my high tension, and see where the market is currently at. It's still violating the high tensions in my chart, right? So now I'm expecting more decline, more sales coming on odd USD. So far, I'm expecting more sales to come there on odd USD. So, you understand? Yeah. So from this zone, because it has violated my what? It has violated my high tension, and so it's coming all the way to the next zone here. This zone here. This way it's coming to next. So that is what I'm expecting. If it breaks it to we break this level here, we are going all the way to the next level again before we see the market pushing to the top again, buying gradually again. You understand? So if we treat the market this way, look, we are going to trade with peace of mind. You are not going to trade and be confused with anyone telling you that do this, market is going to do that, do this. No, you are not going to be confused. Never. because I make sure I put in that confidence in traders that make them to be able to open higher lot size, because you know what you are doing. When you know what you are doing, you are not afraid of nothing. You understand? Not even your village chief can even frighten you. You get me? No one is gonna frighten you because you know what you are doing. You get me? Yeah. So if you are watching, make sure you please keep your likes coming, like, and motivate me, support my life. Please do that. Please support my life. If you're watching, support me. I like motivation. If you motivate me, I will release more secrets here and you will love it. You get me? So guys, let's see which pair am I looking at again next. Let me look at odd card. Yeah. Yeah, so odd card was just very simple too, very, very simple. It also did what I was looking out for. And then markets started declining all the way to the downward direction. And you can see how the move came. Very simple. From this zone here, we had all the move to the next zone here. And then what happened? We had a pullback on this major high tension zone. It moved to the top and it got a momentum to break it, because this to break this zone, this blue zone here is very, very difficult. So it must gather momentum to break it out. And when it broke it, what happened? Market decline. The market decline, and you can see it very clear. It's still on a sell trend. Market is still on a sell trend on odd card. This is odd card. It's still on a sell trend. I've been seeing this. Even my previous video I posted, I spoke about the markets. It was even somewhere it was somewhere here. Market was somewhere here, just around here, around this level here. I started crying that the market is going to drop. It's going to drop. So guys, get ready, get ready. Like the market is going to drop. And then people who had ears, like I said yesterday, and on Monday, I said gold is dropping. People took advantage of gold and they make money. They are making money. You understand? And then because if you watch me here, you should know that our trading is going to be very simple, because we don't stress ourselves. If we are scalping, we know how to scalp because we know the direction of the market. And so what do you have to do? You just have to what? A pullback, you sell. A pullback, you sell. You get me? So guys, my this thing is running low. I don't know, my battery's almost dying. I wish to be here for a while, but it's almost going down. So what we'll do is that